Yeah, I'm glad I brought some tools.
Yeah.
Yeah, this bracket
Well, I'm sure your cousin's got some tools.
with this for this distributor was cracked, so we're gonna take that off and then weld that up and get back on the road. Probably could have made it without doing that, but there's no reason not to.
So this whole thing doesn't move, doesn't turn. The distributor turns inside of it, and you loosen it up like that. If it was loose, I'd be very unhappy.
Yeah, I don't think it's loose.
No, it didn't appear to be.
That was one of the things I even mentioned to him. I was like, it looked like in your video that it was
You told me.
shaking.
Yeah, well, that's what I thought I saw, but, and I'm not sure. You can't shake. You cannot tolerate any of that. And he gave you the old distributor.
As far as I know, I got to look in the parts box and make sure.
Yeah,
But
I mean, you may wind up going back to that. I mean, it's up to you, but that is just a gigantic thing to put on that engine in my view. Gigantic.
yeah.
I mean, if I got to weld it, I can weld the goddamn thing.
Yeah, you can.
But I don't want to do that. See, and he's talking about welding it. Where's the power for this?
I'm not sure.
Or
You might be bringing a cord out.
Wait a minute, did he run it off a car battery? No, that's not a car battery.
How'd you? Oh, he got a cord.
All right, if y'all want to be able to see the
Now,
rest of your lives.
you haven't tried to run this on that.
What?
You haven't tried to weld it.
No, he just got it set up.
No, I just grinded it down a little bit.
I know, so how do you think you will blow a hole through it?
Just thought it was loose.
Cool. Gotcha. So this has really got one control on it, really, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The wire feed.
Right.
What's min and max mean? Is that an amperage?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay, well, I'm not gonna tell you how to run that. I always wind up doing some welding on something that I'm gonna throw away.
I just do about $1.
Oh, you go by that?
Yeah, so if you base it off the wire.
Yeah, you could do that. That's right. You could.
That stuff is confusing. I started messing with it one time and it was okay. Too much.
You grinded it down a little bit so you get a bead on there.
Yeah, usually if you got like any type of paint or anything on there, the bead, it won't
Well,
make
see,
the
this is
electrical noise.
galvanized on it, so you're right about that. That does affect the welding of it. Hey, I'm gonna send you a clip. You know what it's gonna be? Diagonal cutting pliers, so you can cut that off.
I got some. I
Rather
gotta
than
go
using,
get 'em.
rather than using your shears, your damn agricultural shears.
I know, right? All right, let's see what this thing can
That's
do.
what you gonna give him.
All right.
Matter of fact, they make tools. I've got some of them for this very job to take and cut it off.
I know, I gotta get them out of the stock.
I'd say hit it one time right in the middle and see what happens.
Is that your ground cable?
All right, y'all don't look.
Looks good.
Son of a gun.
Wait,
Now the question is, do I grind it? That might be a little hot. Do I grind it down or do I switch it and then grind it? Yeah, let's switch it and then grind it down. That way that.
well, I just
doesn't
want to look.
break.
I want to look at it.
Be careful. Is that hot? Just here.
No, it's not hot.
Okay.
Is it hot? Is it hot? Is it hot though?
I realize you never met my dad before,
My
but
board on that.
I was gonna say there is like 1,000-degree metal on there. I promise.
Hold on.
that's just kind of how he rolls, man. Now you know where I get it from.
There you go.
What do you think?
Good idea.
Rock and roll.
There you go.
Well, I guess, yeah, you would have had to have it on there with that first way, because otherwise it wouldn't have been able to be...
Stick together.
Yeah, yeah.
You can't hold it. I can tighten it up if you want. You're not trying to, you're not gonna muscle it.
I'm
Hit it, hit it, hit it.
trying to figure out if I should grind it first. Let's do it. Peer pressure, jeez. You gotta grind it first.
See, when you grind it, you're gonna grind both of them. You're not gonna fool around, you know.
Well, no, like you were talking about, because it's galvanized, the electrical current is broken with the galvanized material that's on it, so you gotta grind that off so that it can touch the metal to make the current to be able to burn that metal.
Mm-hmm.
No, you're doing all right. Weld it up.
Welding hard. Here's one.
I'll tell you one reason why. Try it now. Try it. Just try it. Don't do any more running. See, I don't think the wind's bothering you. You know?
Definitely got on there that time.
No. What wind?
The wind did pick up, too.
I mean, you're right about the wind. There's no question about
I
that.
think it's just because it's such a small area, it doesn't really matter.
Can you get it like that?
Yeah. It's a little bit messy, so we can clean it up.
No, I'm just somebody if you can get to it.
Oh yeah, yeah, absolutely.
Are you going to tack weld the underside of it?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Rock on.
Let's do it.
Up. That's all I'm too. Let's get it from the front so it's over your way.
Don't even have gloves on.
All it's got to do is hold back the ritual. I think just hold it for a little longer.
Yeah, right.
Let's grind it down.
All right.
That's what I'm talking about.
I think you're probably gonna need it on the anymore. Don't see, the more you grind off, the weaker it gets. You know? So, and that thing, he's gonna be able to capture that bolt in the washer.
Mm-hmm.
Is it alright if it doesn't sit flush?
Yeah, well, it won't be perfect, but it's better to be strong for the short trip home than to be,
Pretty.
yeah.
Absolutely.
And I'm gonna tell him when we get back there that this needs to be replaced with a different piece of metal. You know, I've got plenty of this kind of material.
Make something a little thicker.
Thicker and wide. I got something that's an inch wide,
Yeah.
you know.
You want to grind down that top a little bit or just leave it?
Let me look at it.
Really needs a little more metal on it. Yeah, go ahead and whack that thing. See if it stays together. It'll make the ride home.
If you didn't hit it like that. I'm not gonna hit it like that.
Yeah, after we just did it.
You're gonna hold it.
Joe, this looks as good as it's gonna get, and it's great that you can do it. Thank you.
Yeah.
So I'm on the way back. I got the truck. It's riding good on the interstate. And where I land, I'm gonna try and get some gasoline at this service station that offers 87 octane gas with no ethanol. So it's unleaded gas but no ethanol. And they also offer a premium, but I don't think I'm gonna put premium in the truck. So yeah, this truck's riding good. We're going up and down some pretty big hills and mountains and whatnot. The sound inside the cab is totally tolerable at these speeds. The only thing that's not quite right is the wind blows the side view mirrors down. So I may end up putting some Loctite in there or something. I haven't figured out what I'm gonna do about that yet, but the mirrors get tilted down pretty easily. So yeah, this mini truck lifestyle is just getting started here on this channel. If you guys wanna see some more content related to this 1980 Toyota pickup truck with the 20R and the Weber carb, then what I want you to do is click that subscribe button right down there and hit that notification bell, because I'm gonna be dropping some more content for you guys real soon. Kicking that mini truck lifestyle, having fun, enjoying it, chopping it up in the comments, showing you guys what I'm gonna do with this truck next. Yeah, y'all know what time it is. Yeah, so we went ahead and tack welded that bracket on there. And truth be told, I'm probably gonna replace this piece, that bracket, with a thicker piece of metal. But yeah, we tack welded that. And we just made about 80% of the drive home. I'm sitting here letting this thing idle. We filled it up with some gas with no ethanol, some 87 octane, no ethanol gas. And yeah, things are looking pretty good. It made that journey real smooth, and I was real happy about that. We're about to see daylight go away. Yeah,